Send it, bro. Jump straight in.
Oh!
Right off the rip.
Right off the rip. Just hold on. Nice. What did he say? Oh, grab rope. Oh, stop. Stop? Just stop. Oh, he's stuck. Oh my god.
Coming up, we have our first 2 drops.
Yeah, I can see that.
The powerhouse and the weird. Shaka waka, bro.
Yeah.
For the groups, I'm gonna tell you to get down. In between, I might have you jump back up and do some paddling for me. So listen, okay?
Go. Let's go! Oh my god. Dude, this looks gnarly.
Get down.
I'm so down, bro. I'm so Oh! Holy crap! Get back up! I dropped my paddle. The water hole is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be ridiculous.
Yeah.
We're going to surf it.
Is that what he said?
I think so. What do you mean, guys? Oh! My heart is pounding. It's the most nervous I've been the whole trip. Yeah, same. More than the bungee. We're good. That big one. It's huge. And this is the largest commercial in the world. Look at that! Here they go. He really went in there, bro. Yeah! You guys ready? Let's go! Let's send it, boys! Let's go! Let's send it! Yeah! Look at that! Yeah! Yeah! Man, we're going backwards. What am I doing?
You're gonna ride the bull.
Ride the bull. Ride the bull.
Sit up the boom of the ground.
Oh!
Hell yeah, girl!
Yeah! He said hands out, dive under?
Yep.
Head first is crazy. Watch your knees. Watch your knees. Oh, I got him. Oh.